Dang, Chevy, back again with another build video. Yeah, I can't do that damn Daniel meme. Yeah, I just don't like it. Yeah. Oh. Alright. They had two Autobot hounds and one lockdown, so I decided to get them all. Yeah. Pretty penny, but yeah, I'll build one in robot. And yeah. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Build one in robot and the other in vehicle. So. That's I think I've had that happen to me before. So. Yeah. Yeah. In the AOE movie, aka Age of Extinction movie, he was a 6x6 military vehicle. I forget the brand, but here's instructions, and here's two more that's available. I forget their names. Slash and Snarl, I think. And one's called Spiky. Yeah, or Spike, I don't know, but yeah. Oh, this time I'm gonna use something sharp. Maybe like the back of this. Okay. Come on. Hold on. Okay, Chevy the numb node. Just call him a numb node now. But hey, one autograph. And boom, baby. Yeah. Hey, I'm resourceful. So, I'll make it quick for you. So, yeah. Well, I'm just gonna get the wheels and the arms, which is simple. I said simple. Oh, there we go. Simple clip in to the arm, and just get the arms and stuff that needs the wheels done up first. There. Yeah, I've had this problem when I first got them. So yeah, there's the two arms done. Gonna put them off to the side. Respective sides. And here's the head. And the torso. Gonna put the head on the torso. Boom. Of course I'm gonna fold the head back for now. And yeah. Gonna get the legs done up first. I'm gonna get the legs built up a bit. And one wheel. Yeah. There's one leg done. And the leg on the torso. Gotta put it like this for balance. And get the other torso and foot. Easy. Press in, boom, and clip. And suck it in. Boom. There we go. Get the Autobot symbol. Put it in the middle of the chest right here. Why do I put the head back? I'm not putting this in truck mode. Oh well. Yeah, a little tabby thing that you can use to fold the head up. That's fine. Oh, I'm stressed. Well, I didn't do that. I don't know if you can see it due to the glare, but yeah, this one's... Oh well. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, the little C-clip goes there. And, it goes right here. Hold on, gotta make sure I'm not gonna budge this up. I'm, just doing this from memory. It's easy to fudge it up from memory. Yep, I'm right. No, come on. And it's on there, so yeah, you can have it, either which way you want. So the arms there, and careful now. There, and get the. Hey, careful. Oi, oi. Get the gun in the hand, which is a simple C-clip. boom. But I'm just gonna leave the gun out. I don't know why, but there's a robot mode done. So I'm gonna, have them off to the side and build, other one vehicle mode. So, yeah. Now, I just check behind me because I heard something. No. Just, come on. Come on. You're gonna do a quick build. So, yeah, come on. Go, get in there. Yeah. Get the stuff with the, wheel situated first. Now. Okay. And pull the legs. And set off this side and come on. And there we go. Did I get a leg done? Yeah, I got a leg done. Side. Yeah. That. And pull it back. Ah, stressed again. Oh. Yeah, some of the plastic quality isn't that good on these. Yeah. What do you expect? They're just C-clips, Yep. Even Bionicle has that problem. So, yeah. And I've dealt with Bionicle and, one of my, unstable bars is what I call my subscribers. Alright. Hold on, what am I, Black Bolt 1 on YouTube and Black Bolt 2 on GP. Anyway, so you have the feet turned out like to the side like this, and slot them together. Then take the arms and, of course, clip the hands right here in these, die clips. That should, stabilize it, hopefully, and, there we go. Where's the... Oh, and it was missing. Okay. Now. Yep, clip. And... Yep. Clip. Dang. Oh, okay. Well, we're lost my bag, but... Yeah. And I clip the, Autobot sigil here, and... Yeah. And get the, gun, I didn't mess up, did I? Yep. Just tell Chevy he's a numb node. Again. Yep. Again, say that Chevy's a numb node. Oh. Hashtag numbnode. Well, haven't kerbobbled it. Watch it out. Well, yeah, I looked it up good, but I can work with it. I can work with it, so yeah, and put an interruption. Come on. Damn. Anyway, yeah. Try and get this thing out. Oh, they made it good. Anyway, yeah, you're supposed to clip it onto the back one right here, not to the middle one, because the middle one is where the gun clips on right here. Yeah, well. I feel like it's gonna break. It's stressed. Can't use it. Yeah. But here's the problem with the Constructbox version. Yeah, see how they have 4 wheels? Come on. And put that little bag there. And get that. Put that. Yep, here's my easy solution for that. First, if you have 2 of them, here's what you can do. Take the shin piece from the second one, and come on, attach it. But it's unfortunately due to the way they have him designed, it's not going to work right. Okay, that's. Oh, hold on. Nope, that's a dumb. Again, just say that shit with a numb note. Oh well. I'm just gonna use them for parts anyway, so. Yeah, here's a hound with his 1 leg, so. Yeah, back in the bag you go. And, yeah, this has been your, local and, mobile. Stay in the mainframe with frickin' interruptions. This has been your local and mobile and stay in the mainframe with interruptions, sadly. Actually, we're getting doing car mode for you. Yeah. Anyway, I didn't want to. Forgot to show it off in his review. So, yeah. Angle. Yeah, there. It's a cute little chibi version. Anyway, here's lockdown. I don't know if it's got on screen, but I don't care. Anyway, yep, this has been your local and mobile and stay in the mainframe with unexpected interruptions. Signing off with, I don't think, with Hound, with ConstructBot Dinobot Rider Hound, and ConstructBot Dinobot Rider Lockdown. Oh, sorry about that. And this has been your local and mobile within the mainframe signing off, yada yada yada, blah blah blah. So, yeah. Bye bye.